Today, I'm going to check out the Wyze Smart Bulb. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So I bought this Wyze Bulb. I've actually had it a while, but I haven't needed it until now. So I thought I would use this as kind of like a smart bulb night light so that I can have some light in rooms that I go into at night, you know, on a regular basis without having to turn on light switches. So Wyze isn't the first company to have a smart bulb, but what I really love about Wyze is that the products are really good, the prices are really low, and I can have everything in one app. A lot of times when you buy the discounted products, you know, smart products from various places, they come with their own proprietary app. So you've got 5 or 6 different apps for light bulbs and outlets and cameras and all that stuff. And I like the fact that they are all in one place with Wyze. Now you can see here, it's about the size of a regular incandescent light bulb, E26 base. The bottom here is like a plastic. I can feel the weight of everything is right about here and down, so all the electronics and everything must be in there. It does have color temperature variation as well as brightness control, so that's pretty nice. Frosted plastic right there. And I do have a little bulb outlet right here, so I'm just going to screw this sucker in here. So what we need to do to set this up is go up to the plus sign, go to add device, go down here to Wyze Bulb. And now it says to turn on our bulb 3 times to get into pairing mode. So I'll turn it on. 1, 2, 3. And now it says that it will pulse when it's in pairing mode. So that seems to be right. I'm going to hit next here. Connect it to the Wi-Fi network. And now it says it's putting out a Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to go into my Wi-Fi networks here, see if I can find it. And there it is. So I'll just connect to that. And now I'm going to go back to my app here, and it says connecting. Seems to have connected. I'm going to call it Night Light. Finish. I don't want to share. Going to upgrade the firmware. I moved the light bulb back a little bit because it's kind of doing some crazy stuff with the exposure here, but I want to show you in the app. I can hit this little button right there and turn it on and off from my phone. So it's a total smart light bulb, which is great. It looks like it's also on max brightness. So if I slide it around here, I can go to 50% brightness, or 56 technically, down to 14, down to 1%. It's got a nice soft glow to it at 1%. It's not putting out a ton of light. But what I want to do here is if I increase the brightness a little bit, you can see here we can change the color temperature from kind of a bright white to warm white. Oh, and that's really orangish, which is kind of cool and will probably be the perfect night light. So for me, I'm going to turn the brightness way down, the color temperature way up, and so it's going to be really nice, easy on the eyes. But I tell you what, if you had this in a chandelier or in a lamp or something like that, you could turn this brightness way up. You could turn it to the whitest of the white. That's a daylight white. If we kind of move it towards the middle here, got kind of that nice happy medium. So really, really cool. It's just pretty clever. Hey, if you want to pick up this Wyze smart light bulb, I tell you what, I'm pretty impressed with it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.